to School podcast.
We learn from the past.
Excellent. Why is the history important?
About the past.
Okay. Today we talk to a special guest. This is Challenger English podcast.
It helps us understand the world.
Yes.
I'm glad to be a history teacher. History helps us predict the future.